Alright, so in this video we're taking a handy look at this great tool, Array Explorer on GitHub. I'm gonna zoom in. Alright, so it's open the URL, it's github.io Array Explorer. Great free tool to use. So in the last video we were doing a tutorial on advanced arrays. So we were looking at the map, filter, reduce. So the first one was map, we did const map array, array.map. And we're just returning double the values to a new array. And then we did filter, so filter array, array.filter. And we were returning a filtered array for numbers that are greater than 5. If you look here to the right, we have VS Code open. And if you do reduce, we're doing const reduce array, array.reduce, and then accumulator and your number. And we're starting from 10. So that's all in the last video if you want to give it a look. Now we're going to have a look at this tool. A look at this handy tool. So I have an array. I would like to, what would you like to do? I'd like to remove items. I need to remove elements from an array, so array.splice. Example usage, let array equal to 518, array.splice 21. So it's going 0, 1, 2, splice. And the output is 5, 1. So it's going from 0, 1, 2, so it's 8. Then it'll splice. And so it removes 8 and it gives us 5 and 1. Right, so if we try and use that now, we can do let array equal to 518, and then we do array.splice to 1 console.log array, and let's see what it gives us. If we log it out on the console, we can reload, and we get 5 and 1. Very good. So we removed 8, because that's the second item, and it ignores the first item, 0, 1, so it'll just give us 5 and 1. Now let's have a look at something else. The last element of the array, array.pop. So if we want to remove the last element from the array, we do array equal to 518, and if we want to remove the last item from it, we can do array.pop. Now console.log array. So let's run this on the console. And go up here, and you can see we popped off 8, so we removed 8 again. Console.log, so we popped 8 off the top of this array. And now if we do the first element of the array, array.shift, so we're going to remove the first item. So if we copy this out, we can do let array equal 518, and if we do array.shift, it'll remove the first item from the array. And we console.log array. Let's have a look. So now you can see we got 18 because it removed 5, which is the first item in the array. So now let's have a look at one or more elements in order for use, leaving the array as is. So array.slice. So in the other one we had array.splice, now we have array.slice. The slice method returns a shallow copy of a portion of an array into a new array object. Very nice. So I need to remove one or more elements in order for use, leaving the array as is. Okay. So we're going to type this out. So let array equal to 518, and we'll add 10. Oops, that's a minus sign, not an equal sign. Alright, so I have it up here. And now if we do let slice array, so we're assigning it to a new variable equals array.slice 1. So slicing 0, 1. Console.log array, and we'll do console.log slice array. Okay, so if we run this, let's see what we get. Slice array is not defined. Okay, why is it saying that? Slice array, oh, sliced. Alright, so we'll have to rerun that. Go here. So for let array, we get 51810, the original array. Let's slice array equals array.slice 1. So it sliced the first item out of the array. So array.slice 1 sliced the first item, which was 5, in the array, and it returns 1810 when we console.log slice array. Alright, nice. So what if you were to do array.slice 2 and 1, 1 and 2? Let's have a look what it does. Undefined, it gives us 1. So array.slice 1, 2, then slice array gives us 1. So 0, if we go 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, it removes everything after that, and it removes 1 and leaves us with 1. Okay, so those are some array methods and a really handy tool. I'd recommend checking it out, JavaScript Array Explorer. And I thank you for watching. Comment below any other tools you'd like to use, and I'll see you in the next one.